The Hustler 6 Wood is one of the most unconventional and intriguing cars ever built. Designed by British engineer and automotive stylist William Townes in the late 1970s, the Hustler series was conceived as a kit car, offering affordability, creativity, and simplicity. The most distinctive model in this lineup, the Hustler 6 Wood, combined engineering ingenuity with artisanal design, creating a vehicle unlike any other on the road. The original Hustler concept debuted in 1978. It featured a minimalist, angular design, using flat panels to simplify construction and reduce costs. Townes initially built the bodywork from steel and fiberglass, but his vision expanded to include alternative materials. The Hustler 6 Wood, introduced shortly afterward, stood out due to its body panels made almost entirely from marine plywood and hardwood trims. This made the vehicle not only lighter, but also gave it a warm, handcrafted appearance that blurred the line between car and sculpture. Mechanically, the Hustler 6 Wood was based on readily available Mini components, specifically those from the British Leyland Mini. It used the Mini's front subframe, suspension, steering components, and A-series engine, typically a 998 cubic centimeter or 1,275 cubic centimeter inline-4. These engines produced between 40 and 60 horsepower, which was adequate given the car's light wooden structure. The gearbox was a 4-speed manual, and braking was handled by front discs and rear drums. Despite its simple engineering, the car delivered a surprisingly agile driving experience thanks to its low weight and compact dimensions. One of the defining features of the Hustler 6 Wood was its 6-wheel layout, 2 front wheels and 4 at the rear. This wasn't just for style. The dual rear axles increased load capacity and stability. In certain variants, the extra axle was driven, making it a practical choice for rough terrain or heavy cargo. The vehicle's modularity also allowed for multiple configurations: estate, pickup, utility, and even amphibious versions. Its wooden body was not just aesthetic, it was also functional, insulating passengers from temperature extremes and providing ease of repair. Interesting facts surround the Hustler 6 Wood's legacy. Fewer than 500 units of all Hustler variants were ever produced, and only a small fraction were wooden models. Each vehicle was essentially unique, reflecting the personality and skill of its builder. The Hustler even appeared in museums and design exhibitions, showcasing British innovation. Enthusiasts today regard it as a symbol of the do-it-yourself era in car manufacturing, a time when anyone with a set of tools and enough patience could build a roadworthy car from a wooden crate. In the decades since its creation, the Hustler 6 Wood has become a rare collector's item. Surviving examples are prized not only for their quirky aesthetics, but for what they represent: a bold, eco-conscious experiment in automotive design. In an age dominated by mass production, the Hustler remains a timeless tribute to individual craftsmanship and creative freedom.